Hi everyone, myself Syed Masood. I'm a former national level basketball player, plus with 6+ years of experience training, coaching all the national level athletes and underage categories. So today we are learning how to receive the ball, beat the man and take a layup shot. Here, you receive the ball, you move according to the footwork. So his right foot is forward, you keep the ball on the left. Then you fake, you move and beat the leg. You fake and it's so easy to beat on the other side on the front foot because he can't take the foot back there. And it's easy to beat the ball and the man and the go. So go back again. So we move here, we fake, we move here like this. Cool? So we're going to do 3 things here now. First thing, how to receive the ball. We jump stop and receive the ball. Then we do the positioning, where to move, how to move according to the defender's footwork. Cool? So once you receive the ball, you know you're in a triple threat position. Holding the ball here or here is called triple threat. You receive the ball here, then see how the defender can move, how you can beat the man. So I see the stands are equally there. So I want you to get unstable. So what I would do is I give a fake. So you just got your front foot forward. It just gets easy for me to beat there. So let's go again. We fake and we beat on the other leg here. Cool? So let's go again. From here, we fake, we beat, 1 dribble, layup shot. Yeah, so receive the ball, jump stop. Yeah, do that. Yeah, you don't move there. Cool? You just fake because you always shoot in both the comfortable stands. You fake, I move. Then you move on the opposite side. You don't go on the same side because it just gets easy for me to come back here. But you move on the opposite side, it's very hard for me to put this leg behind and defend. You get there? Let's go. Yeah, there you go. What do you do? Yeah, nice one. Let's go again. So I pass you the ball, jump stop and take it. Yeah, call me there. Jump stop and come 1 step forward. When you receive the ball, you jump stop like this. Pass me the ball, give me like this. See, I just did this. Now I'm a stance where I can go wherever I want to. Yes, that's good. Now what do? Fake. Yes. That's fine. That's okay. But you gotta be a little conscious and see which side to go, which side to put front forward. Cool? Let's go again. Yeah. Yes, go. That's good. That's it. Cool, but a little slower. You're rushing. Don't rush. Wait it, because once he goes off the ground, nothing else. Everything is open lane and you can take it calm and nice shot. Let's go again. Yeah, now what do? Fake. Let's go. That's fine. That's okay. So 3 things to remember. Triple threat, fake, then dribble without moving the other leg. Let's try that simple thing. There's nothing here. There's no obstacle. You just try giving triple threat, fake and 1 dribble. Come back again there. Let's go. Yeah. Dribble, go back there. And you don't move the other leg. Let's go again. Pass me the ball. You don't go forward. You just do 3 things. Jump, stop and receive. Triple threat, fake, 1 dribble. Go there. It's cool. Let's go again. Receive the ball. Fake. Triple threat. Yes. Go there. So, but you can't place the ball right next to your leg. You got to put on the other side or the off side. Yeah, let's go again. Yes. See? So there is a ball, the leg and the defender. You can't keep the ball and the defender close to you. So there is always the body, defender and the ring when I defend. So it goes the same way. When you take a shot, it's the ball, yourself, then the ring. Defender is between, you lose the shot. Let's go again. Jump stop, triple threat. Yeah, fake, 1 dribble. Yes, that was good one. Let's go again. What's the ball? Now this will be a real shot. Go. Yeah, give fake. Yes, nice one. That's fine. Pass the ball. Receive, jump stop. Yeah, fake, good. Yes, that was a good one. But the movement was okay. But yeah, you made the right side. But it was a wrong footwork. Yeah, exactly. You put your same leg forward there. So you put the same leg forward, it's difficult for you because you might hit the ball. You might step on the ball and dribble. Yes, now see, you're away from everything. You're just making it safe. Let's go again. Receive the ball. So receive the ball and jump stop. Yes, good. Yeah, that was a nice one. Pass the ball. Yeah, jump stop. Yes, fake. Yes. Okay, not bad. So you go one side right, one side left, one side right, one side left. Let's move. Jump stop. Yes. Cool. Very good. That's fine. We'll come back. You do the same thing on this side now. Jump stop. Triple thread. Fake. Yeah. It's good. Let's go again. Jump stop. Yes. What do you do now? Yes. Very nice. See, just because you were in a comfortable double leg jump stop, you have options to go either ways. You hold the ball in one leg angle and you go, and I don't move the right foot, you're stuck. This is a technical game. So you use your technique wisely and take the contact wisely. Cool, let's go again. So I want you to go which side according to my footwork. So hold up there for a second, watch wisely, see exactly the opposite side you move and you use your body. Receive, jump stop, yeah. Nice, very good. Ball, jump stop is very important. Everything frames on jump stop. You jump stop properly, you have options to go either ways. Receive, jump stop. Now you go, oh, that's fine. That's good. See, I made a trick here. No, I did not use both the legs or come here. I just moved like this. So I can still replace you. I can come back, but it's still a fake. I just got off the ground. You can still beat on the either side when it goes like this. Wherever side you're comfortable and you feel strong. One last shot. Jump stop, triple thread. Yeah. That's okay. Jump stop, triple thread. Yeah. Very good. So this was a layup. So the second shot is same. So basically receive the ball, pump fake, one dribble, jump shoot. So here we don't take the layup. We might find a tall guy there. So you just can't beat the guy. So it's better to stay away. You beat your man and keep the other defender away and take a good easy jump shot. The same thing here now. We receive the ball with a jump stop. You watch the position. We fake, one dribble and shoot. Yeah? Let's go again. We jump stop, position, we fake, one dribble and take a shot. Cool? You want to take that? Yeah. Receive, jump stop, fake. Yeah. One shoot. That's fine. Take a nice shot. Confident, good shot. Receive, jump stop, fake. Yeah. Move. That's good. Oh, that's not bad. You're almost there. Cool. Again, jump stop. Take that. Fake. Move there. Perfect. It's okay. So have an efficient fake. Good positioning. Positioning is very important. I play real defense. You can't dribble the ball. So save and protect the ball. Use your body. Yes, use your body. Very important. Without body, you can't do anything. Let's go. Jump stop. Yeah, fake. Yes, that was good. Nice one. So you give me two shots now. One is a clean layup shot without defender, just doing all the movements. Jump stop, triple thread, fake, dribble and layup. Same thing, no layup, one dribble and shoot. That's it. Jump stop. Yeah. Yes. Nice one. That's not bad. Let's go again. Let's take a shot. You move and stop here now. You stop on this lane and take a nice shot. So with this side, receive, jump stop, fake, yes. Good one. Good one. See, that was a nice one. Cool. That is it for today. For more videos of basketball, follow or subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any extra questions regarding basketball, I'm listed on Playo app. Please feel free to connect me on the app. Thank you.